Okay, here's a look at these two plugs next to each other. We've got the NGK that's been in for a year versus a brand new one. It's hard to tell, but both look pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's got 190,000 miles on this truck. So we're gonna do the same thing on this cylinder 6 as we did on cylinder 1. We just had a cylinder 6 misfire. We are swapping the coils. We've got number 8 coil there. Actually, we put number 8 coil on number 6, and we're going to put the number 6 coil on number 8. We've got 2 new plugs that we're going to be putting in there, and then we'll be able to drive this and make sure that's the problem. Might need to replace our wires here. Might need to replace the coil, but by switching that coil, that will tell us if indeed it's the coil or something else, and simply disconnecting this and reconnecting it might actually solve the problem like it did over there.